Chinky were playing a doctor's game in the living room. Chinky was checking Gattu with a stethoscope. Dad was watching the news on TV and Mom was busy in the kitchen. While watching the news, Dad suddenly turned the TV off. So Mom said from the kitchen,
Why did you turn the TV off? They were showing news about the corona vaccine. We would have known when it's coming in market.
Don't take these news so seriously. They will say anything for TRP. For the past year, I have been listening about it. Every day vaccines are made and then they disappear. You prepare the lunch, I am going to meet Mr. Shukla. When Dad left, Gattu and Chinky noticed that he is going out without a mask. After half an hour when the food was ready, Mom called from the kitchen.
Gattu, Chinky, lunch is ready. Go and call your dad from Shukla uncle's home.
Gattu Chinky wore their masks and went to Shukla uncle's house. At Shukla uncle's home, they saw that Dad and Shukla uncle were talking about the corona vaccine. When Gattu Chinky reached parking area, they saw that Rishabh was talking to his girlfriend and holding her hand.
Sweetie, until we get the vaccine, we can't go out to eat or watch a movie.
When Gattu Chinky came home, Gattu said to Chinky,
Vaccine, vaccine, vaccine. Everyone is talking only about the vaccine. What is a vaccine? It is an injection that can kill the corona. Then it is our responsibility to make a vaccine for our society. I think we should try making one. No, we can't make a vaccine by ourselves. For that, we will need scientist uncle's help. Are you talking about the scientist uncle who lives next to Shukla uncle?
Gattu Chinky went to his house. They saw that all the instruments were scattered all over the place. When Gattu Chinky told him about his plan, he started to shut the door.
Why are you closing the door, uncle?
Well, you want to make the vaccine, right? It's a secret mission. And just like that, the door was closed. It was evening. Till then, news about Gattu Chinky's vaccine was spread in their society. Gattu Chinky's parents, Shukla uncle, Rishabh and some other members gathered in the scientist uncle's living room. Gattu, Chinky and scientist uncle's faces were glowing with joy. Gattu Chinky, we heard that you have made a vaccine with the help of scientist uncle.
Yes, the vaccine is ready.
Well, then show us. Gattu Chinky smiled at scientist uncle. And then Chinky said,
This vaccine is not visible. You have to take it in the ear.
काय ही कसली वॅक्सिन आहे? असू दे, कानात तर कानात, पण द्या पहिला नंबर कोणाचा?
Dad will be first. Dad, please come here and show us your ear.
Dad came in front and he moved his head to show the ear. Chinky said in Dad's ear,
Dad, your vaccine is that whenever you go out of the house, you have to wear a mask.
Hearing this, Dad was ashamed and then he returned to his place. Then Shukla uncle came in front and Gattu said in his ear,
Your vaccine is that you have to cover your nose and mouth with a tissue or hanky every time you sneeze.
Then it was Rishabh Bhaiya's turn. Chinky said in his ear,
Maintain 2 meters distance. Don't hold hands. Greet from a distance.
Hearing this, Rishabh was scared and he returned to his place. In this way, Gattu Chinky's strange vaccine made everyone think about their actions. When scientist uncle said, I hope that all of you got vaccine from Gattu and Chinky and you have decided to follow it in your daily life. When Gattu and Chinky came to me with the proposal of vaccine, I asked them why did they want to make a vaccine and they told me about your behavior. Some people don't wear a mask, some don't cover their nose and mouth while sneezing. The vaccine will definitely come. Scientists are working on it, but all of us have our own vaccine. That is carefulness. We have to be careful and wear a mask, cover our mouth, maintain the distance, wash our hands regularly. Until we get the vaccine, this is the vaccine that will protect us. In this way, with the help of scientist uncle, Gattu Chinky made everyone aware of the true vaccine.
अगर आपको हमारी वीडियोस पसंद आ रहे हैं तो इन्हें लाइक करें, कमेंट करें और सब्सक्राइब करें